Gusto ko lang semplakin yung nagsasabi na naghiwalay sila. Maghintay ka dyan ah! Kasi alam nyo, mga kaibigan, as you all know, marriage is difficult. Marriage is already difficult the way it is. Pero yung may mga tao pa na who's trying to make it even more difficult for us, hindi po yun maganda. Parang ipinapanalangin nyo na magkahiwalay kami. Hindi po kami maghihiwalay ever because we love each other. Our marriage is not perfect. It's not, but for me, it is. Really. It's not perfect. Siyempre may mga issue-issue. Gano'n naman.
May issue ka sa akin?
Meron.
Ganon.
Wala akong issue. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin, napakabait po ng asawa ko. He's